So I'm very excited. I think just a few minutes ago, our announcement crossed the wire. So I'm really excited to share with you a deal we've been working on for some time. So Ripple is acquiring Hidden Road, which is a prime broker. They're a very high growth prime broker, one of the largest as the non-bank prime brokers. And this is a big deal. It's $1.225 billion.
What does it mean?
Thank you.
What does it mean for Ripple's business? Because you've been on a path to really diversify the business beyond kind of how you started in payments, and there's custody, stable coins now. And so what does this add to the Ripple business?
It's all coming together. So we've talked for a long while about institutional decentralized finance. Many of us here talk about institutions coming into the world of blockchain and DeFi. And this is going to blast that into a new milestone, kind of a new stratosphere. So the idea here is Hidden Road, through its prime broker business, is able to supercharge a lot of what we do. So using Ripple USD, the stable coin, as collateral for all of its prime brokerage services, as well as using XRP Ledger for a lot of its post-trade services. And of course, we've actually known Hidden Road for years because we've been a client of theirs on the payment side to provide FX and those services to payments. So there's many good synergistic opportunities.
What's going on, guys? Let's dive into some recent news. So we had a big announcement come out the other day at Paris Blockchain Week from the president of Ripple, Monica Long, announcing a $1.25 billion acquisition of Hidden Road. And this makes Ripple the company the first crypto company to own and operate a global multi-asset prime broker. So this was covered also by Bloomberg, as we can see right there, and now looking at Hidden Road itself. So this is one of the largest deals in the digital asset space to date, and what did Monica say? So using the Ripple US dollar for collateral for all of its prime brokerage services and the use of the XRP Ledger for a lot of its post-trade services. She says something along the lines of institutions coming into DeFi and blockchain, that this is going to blast us to a new milestone or stratosphere.
Institutions coming into the world of blockchain and DeFi, and this is going to blast that into a new milestone, kind of a new stratosphere. So using Ripple USD, the stable coin, as collateral for all of its prime brokerage services, as well as using XRP Ledger for a lot of its post-trade services.
Let's run through this because this is a very big deal. So a couple bullet points. Ripple the company will inject billions of dollars of capital to provide immediate scale and satisfy the demand of Hidden Road's prime brokerage, clearing, and financial platform. We have the Ripple US dollar becoming the first stablecoin to enable efficient cross-margining between digital assets and traditional markets. We have right here, and this is an article on hiddenroad.com, we have Hidden Road to migrate post-trade activity across the XRP Ledger, demonstrating its potential as the go-to blockchain for institutional DeFi. So Ripple does own and operate a global multi-asset prime broker, and Hidden Road is one of the fastest growing prime brokers around the world, offering institutions a one-stop shop of advanced services including clearing, prime brokerage, and financing across foreign exchange, digital assets, derivatives, swaps, and fixed income. We can see they're clearing $3 trillion annually across markets with more than 300 top institutional customers. Hidden Road will exponentially expand its capacity to service its pipeline and become one of the largest non-bank prime brokers globally. In quotes, we are at an inflection point for the next phase of digital asset adoption. So I'm definitely interested to see how much activity comes of this, especially over the long term, and then looking at Ripple US dollar, the total value on chain, I think it's safe to assume we could expect this to reach billions of dollars. It might take time, but those are my expectations. So now that Ripple the company owns Hidden Road, I would really love to see a lot of activity on the XRPL. So obviously this acquisition really strengthens Ripple's position as a company in institutional DeFi. And now Ripple the company has a much better ability for cross-margining between digital assets and traditional markets. So let's see how they actually leverage Hidden Road services to expand its institutional offerings and really use the Ripple US dollar and the XRPL. Alright guys, we'll keep this video short and sweet, and I might have time to do another video, but there's still a lot of background noise, so it's very annoying to have to trim this, so I'm going to upload this short video and I might do another. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button and let me know your thoughts down below. You can find all links to my crypto resources, including tools for charting, trading bots, wallets, portfolio trackers, and exclusive discounts right in my link tree in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.